Welcome! Today we'll be learning how to navigate board charters and company ESG policies module with CompanyIQ, brought to you by MyLogic. Before we start, let me show you our module navigation tabs feature used to switch among the modules that you subscribe to. There is also our screen navigation tabs feature. That's the horizontal bar on top of the page. The highlighted tab indicates which one of the three screens you are on. Entering this module will take you directly to the search screen. The search screen is divided into two sections: General Search and Documents Filters. Start by selecting a date range and adding companies to your search criteria manually. Or you can also use the Index, Exchange, and SASB sector filters. Keyword search is also available in this module. In the Document Filter section, charter and policies are divided into document groups, as shown below. The document group name is shown in bold, followed by individual documents within the group. In the document filter box, you can type keywords such as corporate governance, governance committee, to locate and select the specific documents for your search. Or you can choose Select All option, which will return results for all charter and policies documents that match your search criteria. Search tips are also available at the top right corner of the document filter section. It's not necessary to define search criteria to view documents. For direct access to documents, simply click on Go button to see the most recent documents published. Once you have clicked on Go, you'll be navigated to the results screen that looks like the one shown here. The left side of the results screen shows details on each resulting document and allows you to interact with these results. You can interact with each one of these columns. Click on the column titles to sort the company's result by company name, charter, or by date. Your results will automatically be loaded by filing date. Typing in the search boxes below the column titles to filter the results. For example, you could type a company name to only see the company's charter and policies documents. The right side of the screen shows the selected document with any matching keywords highlighted. If you prefer, you can also view the internal CompanyIQ version of the document by clicking the View Doc button. The PDF View button allows you to view the original PDF document released by the company. You also have the option to view documents at the company's website. After finding the information you are looking for, you can click on the Export button to download the document for your use. Thank you for watching another one of MyLogic's tutorial. To view more, please select one of the following videos.